friends, how are you all? Hope everybody is fine staying at their homes. In this video, we are going to learn Civics Chapter 1, Power Sharing Part 2. Before watching the video, please do watch the Part 1 of the video. The link of the Part 1 video is in the description below. In the previous video, we have discussed about the diversity in Belgium, accommodation of diversity in Belgium, definition of majoritarianism rule in Sri Lanka. Diversity in Lebanon. Lebanon, a small country located in the continent of Asia with the capital Beirut. After the death of Muhammad Prophet, some of the Muslims wanted Abu as their leaders and got separated from the community, and they were known as Sunni Muslims. Some of the Muslims wanted Ali as their leader and got separated, and they were known as Shia Muslims. Sunni Muslims, Shia Muslims, Maronite sect of Catholic Christians, Orthodox sect of Christians are the different communities present in Lebanon. The people of Lebanon lived together, intermingled, yet fought a bitter civil war among themselves. The economy of the country was drained due to the wars. At the end of this civil war, Lebanon's leaders came together and agreed to some basic rules for power sharing. As per the rules, the president of the country should belong to the Maronite sect of Catholic Christians. The deputy prime minister should belong to the Orthodox sect of Christians. The speaker of the assembly should belong to the Shia Muslims. The highest position, the prime minister, must belong to the Sunni Muslims.
Dear friends, do you think any person of Orthodox sect of Christian could become the prime minister of the country?
Surely he cannot become a prime minister, right?
Yes, the present system of getting the top position is out of his reach.
There are two sets of reasons why power sharing is desirable. Number 1. Prudential. The prudential reason for power sharing is a precautionary measure. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. It is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. Number 2. Moral. The moral reason of power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Here, the people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. For example, decentralization of powers.
Forms of power sharing.
Horizontal sharing of power.
In this type of power sharing, the power is shared among the organs of the government, that is, legislature, executive, and judiciary. The function of legislature is to make laws, executive is to implement laws, and judiciary is to interpret the laws. No organ of the government will interfere in the functions of other. This type of power sharing is based on a system of checks and balances.
Vertical sharing of power.
In vertical sharing of power, the power is shared among different levels of the government like central government, state government, and etc. The central government has power on the subjects of defense, etc. The state government has the power on the subjects of police, healthcare, and etc. No level of government will interfere in the functions of others.
Social groups of power sharing.
The power here is shared among different social groups such as religious, linguistic groups. Community government in Belgium is a good example of this type of power sharing. In India, the depressed classes or the scheduled tribes were allotted reserved constituencies in the assemblies and the parliament of our country. This type of power sharing is meant to give space in the government and administration to diverse social groups who otherwise would feel alienated from the government.
Political parties and pressure groups.
Power can be shared among the political parties by forming an alliance. When two or more parties form an alliance to contest elections, and if their alliance is elected, they form a coalition government and thus share the power. There are many indirect ways in which people can get government to listen to their demands. They could do so by forming an organization and undertaking activities to promote their interests. Such groups are told to be known as pressure groups. We will study about pressure groups in chapter 5 in detail. So, these are the 4 different forms of power sharing which we have learned. Hope you liked the video. For more interesting videos, do subscribe to Ganesh Study Rankers. Thanks for watching.